this week for more Gaspard's Weekly Words, brought to you by Repertoire de Gaspard. I'm your host Natasha, and today I'll be bringing you more tips, words and phrases to help you teach English to your children. So let's get started. This week's theme is in the kitchen. The words are fridge, kettle, chopping board, toaster, oven glove, oven, sieve, fork, knife and spoon. Start by showing the flashcards and practicing the words, focusing on pronunciation. Next, play a memory game. Show your learner the flashcards and then have them close their eyes. Depending on the learner's level, you can take away 1 card, 2 cards, or all of the cards and see how many they can remember. That's all for this week. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. There are also links below if you would like more tips and ideas, and please join us next week for more Gaspard's Weekly Words.